welcome to my channel. I haven't updated this channel quite a long time. The reason is that I've moved and everything was in boxes, including this robot here. Sorry about the mess. Yeah, I tried to use these ultrasound sensors in the robot on MacBotics. The analog signal was a bit unreliable. No matter how much I tried to remove the noise, well, that noise went away. But just in general, the behavior of these, if someone is working with different color fabrics past you, there's a reflectivity of the surface, whatever reasons, but and someone moving very fast past you, obstacles, and they gave anything from 2 meters to only 30 centimeters and back to 1 meter, and basically it was jumping up and down however it wanted. If something got too close, it went totally crazy. So I bought again another rear box to this one, a bit more spacious. Here's a via for USB power cable. We just need to install the traditional emergency stop switch, and inside here I put Arduino Uno revision 2, and to this one in its iOS I will eventually connect a bumper which I will build kind of around here, that a flexible bumper of some sort, that it will have some flexibility and still give immediately signal to this one, which is connected then via Ethernet cable to the robot's own network. And here's this one. And there's a lot of space also for additional installation afterwards. So I'm planning to leave the ultrasonic sensors in peace and not use them anymore. Just going for a traditional bumper. Okay, now the cover is in place and it's IP65 rated, so it should be fine for this purpose. So next task for me is to find kind of correct material or size thing to make a bumper here, and then I will make the mechanism. I already bought some other components needed for the bumper, so now it's up to the bumper design. And meanwhile, I will also now concentrate on modifying the robot and replacing some of these joints for being controlled as ROS nodes, like the arms and the other and some other sensors. But the ROS has so bad latency, and I failed to implement ROS 2 on this robot in a successful way. It's just, I think, in my opinion, just too much in the beginning, that operating system. So I'm going to implement another type of protocol, which is already used by industry, and I'm going to implement all the controls with that one and get a much smaller latency with all the equipment inside the robot's own network.